Good morning. Today we're at Jungle Gardens in Sarasota, Florida. It's a 10-acre park. They have over 200 native and exotic animals to meet. They've been here since 1939, so they're one of the oldest continuously running attractions here in Florida. So we're going to show you what there is to see. Let's go. As we entered the lush 10-acre park, we were first greeted by an enclosure of small alligators.
Camden, he just fed them a hot dog. Oh, here's another one, look. Has he found it?
Also near the front gate is a colorful display of the park's parrots, who called out to us as we walked by. Jungle Gardens' mission is to educate and inspire the community through interactive experiences with animals and nature. Many of the animals here were either rescued or donated. We checked the times for the animal shows and then set off to explore the park. Following the tropical trails, we discovered turtles, lemurs, and a small petting zoo, which was closed the day we visited. Next, we made our way to the Flamingo Feeding area, where we were greeted by dozens of tall, pink, hungry Florida flamingos. The friendly flamingos spooked our kids a little at first, but it was so much fun to feed them.
Oh my gosh! Tickled your hand.
We had purchased a bag of bird food at the entrance gate, and the flamingos were not shy about requesting snacks.
I think they're after your food, Mummy.
Next, we headed for the pavilion to catch an animal encounter show. The zookeeper introduced us to a boa constrictor, an opossum, and a tegu. He explained their habits, diet, and unique features. The show lasted about 20 minutes, and it was informative and interesting.
What did you learn about the lizard's tail, Chloe?
It carries away predators.
It can come off and then regrow, can't it?
Yeah.
Before we continue our tour of Jungle Gardens, we want to let you know that we have an entire playlist of videos dedicated to Sarasota, Florida, which is linked in the description below. If you'd like to see more travel videos to help you decide where to visit next, subscribe to our channel and tap the notification button to make sure you don't miss our weekly videos. Now back to Jungle Gardens. Between animal shows, we explore the reptile house and the butterfly garden. Nearby is Flamingo Cafe, a beautiful koi pond, and a fantastic jungle playground. Our second show was a bird show, and we learned about different types of parrots and how smart they are. We were dazzled by their tricks and learned that they can live up to 80 years.
Cat, dog, cat, chicken, much better, much better.
Sarasota Jungle Gardens is a fun day out for visitors of any age. A family-owned and operated establishment, it's a great place to immerse yourself in nature and learn about many unique animals who share our planet.
You petting the alligator, dude?
It's pretty cool. Can I try it?
Does he have a name?
Pluto.
Why do they have those prickles, those spines?
To protect them. And when they're born, those hard, sharp spines are just hairs. So it takes a couple of weeks for those hairs on their back to turn into spines.
Ooh, interesting.
So they can defend themselves from their mom and dad.
You're right, Chloe. Lemurs.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lions sleep tonight.
We hope this video has given you a taste of what you can expect from a visit to Sarasota Jungle Gardens. For more travel content, check out one of our other videos on your screen now, and check out our travel resources guide in the description below to help you plan your next trip. Happy travels! Camden, go stand by Daddy. They're taller than you, buddy.
Do you want to try it, Camden?
Only to the middle.
What?